Hey guys, Sarah Ansboury here, and today we're talking about where does power come from? Okay, so first, easiest tip, it does not come from your hands or your arms. When you swing harder, it doesn't necessarily mean faster or stronger or better. Okay, so we kind of say it very simply. The lower body is where power comes from. The upper body, hands, is where control comes from. Okay, so I've got a couple of factors. I've got my lower body engagement that equals my weight transfer, and then I have swing speed and acceleration. So you have a lot of players, they get too close to the ball, okay, and they're kind of trying to muscle it. So there's a term we say, swing fast, not hard. When you swing hard, you're usually going to get some sort of reaction from your body because it's fighting you. The entire purpose of a setup with your swing is it's generating space so that my paddle can swing and accelerate, which engages, it's coming from my lower body. So I'm swinging fast with my space. So it should really create extension, come from the bigger joints rather than the wrist or the elbow. So often, let's say people think someone swings big, we have to swing bigger. Guess what? Backswing actually doesn't do that much for you on a pickleball court. It works against you more than it works for you. So the reality is we have this nice tiny paddle. When we generate a looser grip and motion, the paddle will swing. That generates speed of swing. If you are holding your paddle so tight, let's say your knuckles are white, that's always the fun one. If you could feel tension in your arm when you are swinging, guess what? You are swinging hard, not fast. If you go and you swing and you feel reaction or resistance, then something in your lower body is not working, which is probably your feet. So remember, the engagement of your lower body increases your swing speed, gets your kinetic chain, hips, shoulders, everything rotates from there. So spacing and preparation. Always think, load the legs, explode the legs, and that takes your paddle with you.
I know finding good pickleball instruction locally isn't always easy. That's why we created the online version of my Pickleball Academy. As a member, you have access to a collection of courses, lessons, drills, workouts, tips, and more. It's like having access to me anytime you want. And the best part, for a limited time, you get to try it for free. Just head over to sarahansburypickleballacademy.com/free to try it out. I can't wait to see you on the inside.